Israel opens fire on Gaza Nakba Day rally, dozens hurt. Russia says yes 400 deals implementation in full swing. Erdogan receives Iraqi Prime Minister in Ankara. Riyadh blames Iran and Houthis for attack on oil facility. Iran prepared to counter any threat, Tehran tells US. Assad regime kills 3 civilians in Aleppo, white helmets. Pakistani court grants bail to PM's aide in graft case. Activists welcome UN's financial boycott of Myanmar. Long delay result announced for Afghan general polls. Suckers of Rohingya detained in Bangladesh. 4 killed in Afghan prisons as inmates and police clash. Sudan security forces open fire on Khartoum protesters.